How to make money driving for Uber, a guide to getting taxi insurance and maximizing earnings. Riding for Uber can be a great way to earn extra income or even a full-time income. However, as a new driver, it can be overwhelming to navigate the requirements and maximize your earnings potential. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to get taxi insurance, tips for increasing your income, and advice for new drivers. Getting taxi insurance. One of the first things you need to do as an Uber driver is to get taxi insurance. This is different from personal auto insurance and is required for drivers who use their vehicles for commercial purposes. Without the proper insurance, you may not be covered in the event of an accident, leaving you liable for damages. To get taxi insurance, start by contacting your current auto insurance provider to see if they offer commercial coverage. If they don't, you can look for a provider that specializes in commercial auto insurance. Some popular providers include Geico, Progressive, and State Farm. When shopping for taxi insurance, be sure to ask for coverage that specifically includes ride-sharing activities. Uber requires drivers to have a minimum of $1 million in liability coverage, which covers bodily injury and property damage to third parties. You may also want to consider comprehensive and collision coverage, which covers damage to your own vehicle. Maximizing your earnings. Once you have your taxi insurance in place, it's time to start maximizing your earnings potential as an Uber driver. Here are some tips to help you earn more. Drive during peak times. The busiest times for Uber are typically during rush hour and on weekends. Driving during these times can increase your chances of getting ride requests and earning more money. Know your city. Familiarize yourself with your city's busiest areas and events. For example, if there's a concert or sporting event, driving in that area can increase your chances of getting ride requests. Offer excellent customer service. Providing a great experience for your riders can increase your chances of getting a high rating, which can lead to more ride requests and higher earnings. Keep your car clean and maintained. Riders are more likely to give a high rating to drivers who keep their cars clean and well maintained. Advice for new drivers. As a new Uber driver, there are a few things you can do to make your experience smoother and more profitable. Familiarize yourself with the app. Make sure you know how to use the Uber Driver app, including accepting ride requests, navigating to the pickup location, and ending the ride. Be safe. Follow all traffic laws and use common sense when driving. Don't drive while tired or under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Track your expenses. Keep track of your expenses, such as gas, maintenance, and car payments, so you can accurately track your earnings and deductions for tax purposes. Network with other drivers. Join online forums or Facebook groups for Uber drivers to connect with other drivers and share tips and advice. Conclusion. Driving for Uber can be a great way to earn extra income or even a full-time income. By getting taxi insurance, maximizing your earnings potential, and following our advice for new drivers, you can set yourself up for success. With a little hard work and dedication, you can make a great living as an Uber driver. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information and tips on a variety of topics.